Alright, what is up, boys and girls? Welcome back to another video. As always, thank you very much for joining me. I am Crypto Maximalist. Please do drop a like and subscribe for the channel. Before we begin, I have an amazing giveaway for those who sign up to ByBit down below using my link. I've partnered with them to offer a free $500 airdropped trading position on their platform, to do with as you choose if you sign up in the next 70 days using my link down below in the description and deposit $100. It really helps out the channel and it's free money, so there's really no reason not to do it. Check that out down below and sign up. You'll come to this page here, you register, it takes like 2 minutes to register. So simple. Deposit $100, you don't even have to use the $100, you just have to deposit it. You can withdraw it afterwards, and then you will have completed the airdrop task. You can claim the voucher and then use it on any one of these pairs here. I've personally done this on Dogecoin. As you can see, that's one of the pairs available. I've put a 3x leverage long on Dogecoin for basically a price target of $1. Liquidation price is at about 6 or 7 cents, so a really low chance of being liquidated. And if we do, in my opinion, I think we will be head up towards all-time highs and probably to that fabled $1 level for Dogecoin over the next few years. I think I'm making like 15k from a free airdropped trading position that I basically just got for signing up and depositing $100. Absolutely crazy. I've done it myself, and I do highly recommend going and picking that up. I know there are a lot of people in the community that are worried about trading, or they don't have the capital to trade. This is a perfect opportunity to pick up a position. Just take a low leverage long position for the long term if you're bullish on crypto. See how things unfold. You might in the end make quite a lot of money, in my opinion. I think that's probably very possible. People that do tend to make the most money in crypto, from my experience, and this is not financial advice, this is just what I've seen, do tend to take low leverage long or just spot positions on crypto, buying and holding for the long term. And that's essentially what I'm doing with that Dogecoin long. So we're just taking a quick look at Polygon here on our daily time frame then. After all that waffle is out the way, you can see obviously very clean. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves to the downside. We're coming down towards the bear market range low area where we've been bouncing over the past few weeks. Got a large bounce here, a smaller bounce, and now we're retesting support again. Huge, ridiculously huge bullish divergences on our daily time frame here. I do think Polygon is probably about to get a very nice bounce, and you can see there's a level of support here that we have been bouncing at continuously. We could see maybe a little drop down into this area here to grab that liquidity, where you would see those massive bullish divergences playing out like an absolute beast. It's a bit strange because a lot of cryptos have been forming this lovely W double bottom pattern, which is why I predicted it to happen to Polygon as well, because the market for altcoins does tend to run pretty much in tandem, apart from a few cryptos that do have, you know, big events, etc., catalysts that make them outliers. But for the most part, a lot of these larger cryptos have all been really moving together. You can see quite clearly here on the daily time frame that Polygon has been breaking out of this downtrend resistance. We've obviously broken out again here, and we're kind of sitting at a level of support right now in a big area of demand. I can't imagine that we won't be getting any nice big moves to the upside soon for Polygon. I'm accumulating down at these levels personally for my spot bags for the long term, because we are around 90% down from the all-time high. What is it, like a 9x and 8x back to the all-time high from here? Just to the all-time high, by the way. Loads of space for this to grow back into these areas up here. I'm not saying that we will even get back up to that level potentially. Obviously, you never know what's going to happen in crypto. These older cryptos, sometimes they don't ever get back to their all-time highs and they just die. Obviously, that's the case. That's why I'm diversified between like 20 or 30 different cryptos that I think are going to do really well going forward. That's why it always pays to be diversified. But in terms of the risk to reward, the size and the caliber of the project, I do think there is potential for this to get a good reversal round in a big area of supply right now, a big area of demand. There's areas of supply all the way up here. We'll have to see when we get there, but overall I do think we are going to see a reversal, not just for Polygon but the whole altcoin market soon. We're already starting to see it, aren't we? Right now we're basically just chilling and waiting for Bitcoin to head to all-time highs so we can see it. Make sure to get a trading bot from the description below. Sign up to ByBit for a huge 30k bonus down below as well. Massive prizes at the minute for depositing $100, or if you're looking for a non-KYC self-custody exchange for trading, Alpha X down below in the description as well. And like and subscribe for more.